Hey traders, thanks for checking out this video. It's now 2024. I have a goal of making over $500,000 in trading profits this year. And although it is a hefty goal, I was able to lock in well over $100,000 in trading profits in 2023. So I'm going to, in this video, talk about how I plan on growing to over $500,000 this year and what steps you can take to help you meet your own trading goals as well. Now, before we get into that, I want to mention very quickly that right now in the Market Master group, we're having a sale for the start of the new year, up to 70% off of your subscription to the Market Master group. This is going to come with access to our group chat. It's going to include day trade alerts. There's going to be an area here for the pre-market preparation, including the news and the gap ups every single day during pre-market. There's also going to be the detailed trade plans, which are posted every single night to help you take on the market the following day. There's an area here for swing trades. There's an area here for paper trading with our paper trading bot. You can even see the live scanners that are going to be live every single day during the market hours to help you find the best stocks to trade. And there's also areas down here for support, general help, review of your trades, and so on and so forth. So if you're interested in coming and joining us in the group, again, this is a great time to do so because you can join us at a 70% discount. There's going to be a link down below in the description for you to get signed up. Alright, so with all of that being said, if you've been watching this channel for a while, you probably have seen some of my profit and loss recap videos. And if you go through here, you can kind of see that on an average profitable day for me, it's going to be about $1,000 in profits. And on the other side of the spectrum, an average losing day is probably in the range of $500 to $1,000 as well. I would say that managing my risk and keeping my losses small is one of the things that I do best in my trading. But one of the things that I also realized by going through these videos is that I take relatively small position sizes on pretty much every single one of my trades. I always like to start off with a small position and then look for an opportunity to add more shares into that position. But I would say that if I was going to apply this to a statistic, probably 70% of the time I never even end up adding to that initial starter position. So I have these small position sizes, and that's why overall my profits are a little bit smaller than I would like them to be. So one thing that I'm going to do for the year of 2024 to help me reach my goal of making over $500,000 in trading profits is to scale up on my trades. Rather than taking a starter position of $10,000, if I'm confident in the setup, I'm going to have the confidence to take a $20,000, $30,000, even $40,000 starter position and even look to add more shares into that as the trade progresses. Now, another thing that I want to improve on is going to be a little bit more patient with my winning trades and also to look to re-enter a trade after I sold it and after I locked in my profits. So if we're taking a look here at POL, for example, this has been a big runner all morning. It's also been hitting the intraday momentum scanner and the parabolic scanner for basically the past hour, all the way down from about $7 per share is when I think it first hit the parabolic scanner. So it's been on my radar all morning. I didn't end up trading it. I was focusing on another trade this morning. But with that being said, if I were to be, buying this when it was first hitting the scanner in the sevens, because of the way that I typically trade with these quick scalps, I would have most likely been out at, $8, maybe $9 per share, even though it ended up running up to a high so far of $13. So one thing, again, that I really want to improve on for 2024 to help increase my profits is to be more patient with these winning trades. As long as the trend is moving in my favor and as long as the price action is moving in my favor, there's no need to sell these and lock in profits and take that instant gratification when you can let the trade run and really make the most out of your winning trades. Now, in the situations where I do end up selling a little bit too early, if the trade continues to move in favor of that original trade and the price action continues to climb higher, there's no reason that you can't rebuy some shares and end up profiting from it a second time from the same upward momentum. That's something that I've always struggled with. Once I take that initial profit, I usually end up avoiding getting back into it, even though a lot of times the second trade or the third trade would end up being better than that first trade that I actually bought into. So those are two simple things that I can tweak in my own personal trading to help improve my overall profits and hopefully take myself from a $100,000 or $200,000 a year trader up to $500,000 or more. The next thing that I can do to help increase my profits, and that you can do hopefully as well, is to focus a little bit more on swing trading. I would say that I definitely consider myself a day trader. That's where I put most of my focus, but That being said, I do have a separate account for swing trading as well, and we've had some really solid trade opportunities in the swing trading section of the Market Master Group over the past year. Just to list off a few of them, CDLX was alerted at $6.33. It later on hit a high of $19.57. We had CGC from 46 cents up to $1.92. UPRO from $40.17 to $49.24. Nike, NKE from $97 to $112. TNGX from $7 to $9. TSLL from $11 to $15. And then ANF from $60 to $78. Really being able to capitalize on just a few of those is a great way to increase your overall profits for the year. And the nice thing about swing trading is you don't have to necessarily dedicate any more time than you already are, since most of your swing trading is going to be done passively. Alright, so to wrap up this video, I want to emphasize the importance of putting your goals out there, whether that be in a video format like I'm doing here, or whether it be writing it down in a notebook, putting it down in the notes on your phone or on your laptop. You can even use the comment section down below to share your goals and to hold yourself accountable. It's going to be a really great way to kind of just put it out there into the universe, so that way you can start taking those small steps to achieving those goals. And I highly recommend, if you're serious about improving your trading in 2024, that you do just that. With all that being said, I want to end with a shout out to Murph from the Market Master Group. Murph on Friday said he was calling it a day, ending the year on a green day, plus $449 in profits to close the year. I would just like to take this time to thank MTM and everyone on the team for this year. Long story short, I started day trading with the team back in May. I started trading because I wanted to make money back that my investment guy lost. I immediately found myself well over my head and all over the place in my trading. Then I joined this group and slowly I began to make progress. And I know that I still have a long way to go. I know that with the help of MTM and the team, I have come a long way from that wide-eye guy back in May. I had a goal of reclaiming all of my money lost by year's end. Though I did not make that goal, I am proud to say that I'm within my striking distance of obtaining that goal, and I know it would not have gotten this close without all of you. So again, I thank you all, especially MTM, and I wish you all a happy, healthy, and green new year. This is what the Market Master Group is all about, helping traders turn their trading around and achieve that ultimate goal of financial freedom. So again, if you're interested in coming and joining us here in the Market Master Group for the next week or until all spots are filled, there's going to be a discount of up to 70% on your subscription to the group, and you can get signed up using the link down below in the description. Anyway, thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and good luck with your trading in 2024.